So welcome back. So today's topic is technology at your service. First of all, we need to know what is technology. Technology is the sum of technique, skills, process, method and scientific investigation. It can be the knowledge of process and method. In the simple term, we can say whatever thing which reduces human efforts known as technology. Nowadays, we are surrounded by technology like TV, fridge, AC, communication, internet, and whatnot. Even now, we are connected through technology. Because of the technology, our lives became easier, smoother. Whatever we need to know, we are just one click away. Go at the Google, type the thing, and get the every single possible information about that. But just like other thing, every single thing has a boon or bane. Technology has boon or bane as well. As long as we are dominating technology, we have boon of technology. But once technology dominate us, that is bane for us. Once we are saying technology is dominating our life, in sense that we are allowing the technology to take over our lives. We all watched the movie Robot, Transporter, Transformer. In those movie, technology dominates the human life, and we all know the results. Destruction, destruction, destruction. What are the bane of technologies? Safe, efficient, flexible, automation, communication, remote control. It makes our easy life, wealthy life, healthy life, but not that much healthy. What are the boon of the technologies? Dependence on technologies. Most of the people don't think more. Even in single calculation, they uses calculator. They got health issues because they gone to the gym. They have relationship issues, privacy issues, addiction, waste of time, and many more because the list is very big. So, technology is our friend only if we use it correctly. Otherwise, technology is our biggest enemy. So, use the technology very nicely, very correctly. Thank you.